we're going to have fun the last 5 minutes here, where we're going to predict the future with AI in healthcare, which is really easy and very clear. But I really do want to ask you, how far will this go? Will we have AI doctors? Will we have most of healthcare moving to the background and fully automated or not? So I will let you each make a prediction about where you see things going over the next 5 years. And I'll start with you, Andre.
So my prediction is that we are going to have an entirely new kind of staff member that is neither a doctor, nor a nurse, nor someone who exists today. I think some of the most compelling use cases of AI is having AI do things differently, potentially with some form of agency, things that we don't currently do today. So that's my prediction. I also really believe we are going to create, quote, AI doctors long before the system is ready for them to actually be adopted, because the challenge is not in the technology, it's in all of the barriers that I just outlined, which give healthcare a ton of inertia. And I think in the interim, we're going to see this very long spectrum of folks moving from, doing the work themselves to becoming managers of AI, in a sense. I don't believe for a second AI is going to replace doctors, but I do think that doctors that use AI are going to replace doctors that don't. Just like doctors that use computers replace doctors that don't. And so I really view this future of AI being kind of its own standalone staff member in your clinic or your hospital.
Yeah, so I think we're probably similar philosophy as yours, where I think the augmentation to doctors, nurses, I think should actually improve care, which is the ultimate objective that we all have. I think as we thought about when we started the company to where we are today, it's actually about impacting patients. And if we can actually drive better outcomes for those patients, and at the same time reduce costs, because a lot of this is, can you provide preventative care? I think this will be a future that we would all look forward to. I think the last piece to it is, can we actually bring empathy back to healthcare? I think it's a really important dynamic that we've probably forgotten over time. People have gotten very busy, and we can hopefully by making the clinician more efficient, by making the doctor more efficient, they actually will focus on the patient and have a better experience all the way around.
Yeah, totally agree. I think that bringing empathy back, bringing human-to-human connection, I feel like we've been mired in bureaucratic red tape in healthcare, and AI presents us with an opportunity to rethink what patient-centered care looks like. I don't think prior authorization is going to go away, but I do think we can make it wholly invisible to the care delivery providers. I think we can operate in a system where care delivery providers clearly understand the system that they operate within. We can make the healthcare system, all these distinct operating entities, legible unto themselves. And I am extremely excited about the future. I think just in our day-to-day, as we develop our product, seeing tools like Claude Code and Codex, and just being able to dictate a line. Previously you had to write a feature. It took months to write a feature in code. Now you can dictate a line and have that same feature developed in days. And healthcare is a bit of a laggard in terms of industries, but in terms of AI, it's been faster adopting than most other industries. So it's really heartening to see that. And I think the future with healthcare and AI eliminating the $500 billion of administrative waste that just is involved in payer-provider communication will help us be more patient-centered. And no one growing up dreamed of pushing paperwork when they were thinking about med school or nurse school. They wanted to deliver patient care. They wanted to interface with patients, and I think that's really what we'll start to see in the coming years here.
Those are really great predictions, and I'm with you. I'm on the side of the optimists here. I think healthcare has been challenged for so long, and there are finally some solutions that get at a lot of the complexity you're talking about. It's one of my favorite applications of AI. There's a lot of talk about AI, replacing people, AI taking the humanity out of our lives, and I think that this puts the human squarely back in the center of healthcare, as you said, and that is why I'm excited about what's ahead.